Morning. Use your licence. Here he is, Lord Fauntleroy.
Well, I thought I'd get a haircut to take the attention away in the comments off yours.
Oh, no, I need a haircut. Well, I'm not worried about my comments. How are you feeling?
Breaking it slightly. Oh, God.
Oh, well.
Is that alright?
What?
I was just hoping that every time my hand goes over, even just the writing will remind me.
They're not worried about stuff like that, man. Yeah. You don't want to be looking at that when I'm driving.
Oh.
Yeah. Wow. How long is your name, dude?
Too long.
Dear me. How many names is that? Was it Otto James Winterham Davis?
Winterham, yeah.
Wow. You know what
It's
my
annoying.
name is?
Ken.
Ken Smith, common as muck.
Ken Smith, sorry. Well,
Yeah.
the rest I sort of admit.
Oh, I'm just putting Otto Davis there.
Yeah.
Right, have to get all your mirrors done. What's the date today? 4th, isn't it?
D-Day.
Right, have you any questions before we start?
If I mess up the start question, is that like a minor? So
Yeah.
you didn't get, it's just a minor. Alright.
Right, you've got a good time, everything's good, so let's go when you're ready. Concentrate.
Alright.
Right then. Now when you get in the car with the examiner, just put your licence in there, right?
Okay.
Okay. A nice smooth drive today, yeah?
Try my best.
We're turning left. What did the parents say then?
They just said good luck. Yeah, just try not to mess up. It's an expensive little excursion.
Yeah, if you feel.
Yeah.
True, right it is. That's why I need you to pass.
Try my best.
You head off at your message when I see your girl's blouse.
Yeah, I asked Angus, I was like, Angus, what's a girl's blouse? And he's like, well, it means you're a pussy. And I was like, right, well, at this point, I've been called out. I can't just sit there and take that. So,
I would kill myself under that. Year 177. Remember that one?
yeah. It's quite a tight little...
Don't get too close. Go and reverse into that one right next to the blue car. Oh, you're starting to get nervous.
Are you nervous?
Yeah, I always get nervous. Especially with you. I mean, you've got your boy racer cap on, we've had it, haven't we?
Yeah, it's off, don't worry. I left it at home.
Good.
I think.
Okay. Can you get out there all right?
Yeah.
Right. It's time to wish Otto the very, very best of luck.
Yeah.
The hour before has been pretty good standard. Not many minor faults, just a couple. Swan necking. He's got some really good skills. His parents has done a really good job here. I just hope he gets that pass here.
Yeah,
right,
let's do it.
Jump out. Yeah.
Scary stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, thank God for that.
He's alright, isn't he?
Yeah, no, he's really nice guy.
Well, we're back off test. Tell them what you've done, Otto.
I've passed with 0 faults. So I'm quite happy. I'm quite proud of myself.
You should be.
Yeah, I will be telling everyone.
Yay, no faults. Well done.
But I do need a shower because, oh my word, am I sweating?
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it was terrifying.
They're all waiting to do the test here now. Was it nerve-wracking then?
It was, for the first, like, I'd say 5-10 minutes, I was kind of on edge. But then he's a really nice guy, so
Was
we're
he?
sort of just chatting.
Did he chat you, did he?
Yeah, tried to sort of charm him. So
He
he
must have liked your
not
accent.
focus on all my mistakes.
Right.
So one of the easier ones.
How comes I got 4 serious false out reviewing here?
I don't know. Maybe you're just a horrible person. I don't know. I think I needed that though.
You what?
I needed that.
Mock test.
Yeah, definitely.
They help, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sort of getting ripped to shreds like that does make you think about what you're doing. Oh, I'm so happy it's
Oh,
done.
you've done well. Well done. That's amazing. That. You want to say a big thank you to the parents, don't you?
Yeah, I do. I mean, yeah, and you, of course.
Well, I
It's
didn't do
impossible
much.
without you.
There was nothing just to work on. Really, you was just too fast. That's all it was.
Yeah. Yeah. Racing cat was off.
Yeah. Must have been. He said at the examiner said it was a lovely smooth drive, didn't he?
Yes.
So it was a lovely drive and a nice examiner.
Yeah, really
Yeah.
really nice guy.
Yeah. See, they just want to see if drivers on the road.
No, I was very, very happy.
Oh well, that was money well spent, wasn't it?
Yeah, completely worth it. I was very worried this morning, but
Were you?
yeah.
It's nerve-wracking to stop
is,
the
it
driving
is.
test, isn't it?
Yeah, I think just once you get into it.
Once first 5-10 minutes over, then it's
Yeah.
just you concentrate on the road, isn't you? Oh, well done.
Oh, thank you.
That's amazing, that clean
Zero
sheet.
faults. Yeah.
Yeah, well, I can
Quite happy with that.
put a little video of anybody that do mock
you can
mock
put
test.
Yeah, from 4 major faults to
There's no faults.
yeah.
Fault free.
Ex-boy racer.
Well, anybody can drive fast, can't they?
Yeah,
There's not many can drive smooth.
that's the one.
Them's the one that's
Feet like a ballerina. My disgusting shoes.
I'd be keeping them, are you?
Yeah, maybe I'll frame them or
Yeah.
something. Put them in a box. Videos, and then I couldn't really sleep, so I was sort of in my head I was going over the routes.
Yeah.
Because I've watched so many videos, I can literally remember all of them. Just become a taxi driver.
Well, proper preparation prevents poor performance, doesn't it?
That's the one.
Yeah, 6 Ps.
6 Ps. And it did.
Well done, Otto. You drive safely, yeah?
Yeah, no, thank you so much.
Been a pleasure. Thank you for the videos.
You're welcome.
Yeah. That mock test was a kick up the backside, what you needed, wasn't it?
100%.
Yeah.
100%. No, those were great.
Thank you very much. You
thank
drive.
you.
Oh, if I send you a link, will you do as a Google review?
Yeah. I'm sure I can.
Sure.
do
So
that.
watch if you
Maybe
if you
give
type
you a-
in driving lessons Durham. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, did it too fast. See if it comes up. No. Do this today, because tomorrow you won't even remember my name. Look.
Of course, I'm going to remember your name. Of course.
Look how many reviews I've got there. Check that out.
276. All 5-star. I'm going to give you a 1-star.
Give us none like you. Of course. Right, now if you click on that, scroll down, and it says rate and review.
Okay.
No.
I'm sure I can fork out a few stars.
Well done. Yeah, you do review on there.
Yeah, no, thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. It's been a pleasure.
Yeah, no, it really has. It was
Drive
great
safely,
fun.
please, yeah?
Yeah, you too.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.
What a star. There's another one gone.
Well, I left my ID in there.
What have you left? What ID? What did you have a wallet?
I've got my wallet, but
What have you lost in? Your license?
yeah.
No, you plonker. He takes to you?
Oh, right, okay. Well, yeah, I'm on pink now, aren't I? Forgot. Right.
See you later, mate.
Bye.
Ta-ra.